in the name of greatest consciousness in the world, and I present you new philosophy that will be the basement of the great achievement on IT and physics, this gabrielism. Today we have to speak and analyze this main important question, and that is gabrielism. Gabrielism, we have a great questions that would help us to go beyond the solar system and then Milky Way. So we have to analyze how believing to Jesus and connect to his consciousness by oncoming device that I designed already, that will help us to go beyond Milky Way. This is the main question. So we have to ask everybody in the world how believing to Jesus push us to the front and motivate us to design new devices, as I did, and I have new devices to make new information technology, and this new information technology help us go beyond the Milky Way, finally. So, but that is metaphysical discussion, and this series of the Gabrielism is both metaphysical and physical, and I say in every session which program is just metaphysical, which program is just physical or philosophical, reasonable philosophy, or is mixture of both. But what is QGIT? QGIT is a new information technology or quantum gabrielistic information technology, and I will try to describe by YouTube program. However, that would be very, very difficult, but because that is monologue and I need dialogue, and I need to go to some university. If they accept me and invite me, I will make seminar, worldwide seminar, and that would be beneficial for scientists. This new technology based on which the first I want you to participate and make comment and like and subscribe, please, and answer to this question. This new technology have to analyze one of two big topic. Analyze Big Bang, or the beginning of the time to end of the time, or beginning of the time to annihilation of the last photon. That means the annihilation of the last image in the world. And I will say what is the difference. We have to distinguish the space time currency space time stream. We have two main stream, and that we have to analyze, and that is in the first time in the world. I will explain for physicists in the world. We have to distinguish between space-time that is special for three-dimensional world, and the stream of space-time that is special for image of the world. Give me time, please. Then we have to make some devices that would be and is the basement or platform or something that make new technology for us, because the limitation of the speed of the light keep us for ever being present inside the Milky Way. And maybe sometimes, maybe after 1,000 years later, we have some spacecraft to go beyond solar system, and solar system is a tiny drop from a great pool. If we compare by our imagination, we have one pool, and a solar system is a tiny leak or tiny drop from the huge amount of the water in comparison. So we are prisoners of the solar system and Milky Way, but I will try to prove for everybody, you have to choose between Christianity and limitation of the light, and I will say how believing to Jesus can take us physically and really outside of Milky Way. So we have to analyze the stream of time-space images that is very, very different from three-dimensional stream of space-time for the current incidents that happen in everyday our life and in the cosmos. We have two different streams of space-time.